Motorcycle maintenance is essential for appearance, preserving value and ensuring safe performance. A frequently overlooked aspect of care is dent repair, which is critical to prevent aesthetic and structural issues. Dents in motorcycles from minor accidents, poor storage, or falling objects can lead to corrosion, reduced resale value, and safety risks if ignored. Aesthetically, dents detract from a motorcycle's sleek look, impacting its pride and appeal. More crucially, dents expose the metal to moisture, increasing the risk of rust and corrosion, which can weaken structural parts and result in costly future repairs. Timely dent repairs preserve the bike's value and prevent handling or stability issues, making rides safer and more enjoyable. Professional dent repair, often using Paintless Dent Repair, PDR is recommended over DIY for better results, efficiency, and warranty assurance. Trained technicians use specialized tools and methods to effectively restore a motorcycle's condition, saving owners time and preventing further damage. For motorcycle owners, quick action on visible dents, rust signs, or handling issues is advised, especially before selling, to maintain value and appeal. By prioritizing prompt dent repair, riders can extend their motorcycle's lifespan, safety, and aesthetics, ensuring they fully enjoy their investment. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-2515338. That's 208-2515338. Or send email at eric@theratofgemstatepdr.com.